Fried food always tend to be finger-licking good once you dip it with your favorite kind of sauce. They are also served as a medium, adding more flavor and taste contrast to the food we eat. How is ketchup able to dominate its flavor in the world of cuisines? Does the production of sauce lose its natural flavor within time? What are the processes involved in the making of ketchup? Once a gastronome working for the Napoleon wrote a statement that, "Without sauce there is no salvation, there is no cuisine." Sauce is considered as a major element in cuisines all over the world. It is a liquid or a semi-liquid mixture that is added to a food at the time of its cooking, or as a complement served along with the food. Sauce is a French word taken from Latin salsa, meaning salted garum. A typical Roman fish sauce used by the ancient Romans is regarded as the oldest recorded European sauce. During the medieval times, basic sauce ingredients still remained kind of the same. The only difference was that meat and vegetables were added to the sauce, and the discovery of trade routes led to the development of more flavors from the existing spices. The arrival of the French Revolution led to a major decline in the inventory related to the sauces. But later on, the French chefs discovered new, innovative ways in producing different kinds of sauces. In China, soy sauces were used for about 2,000 years, and the sauces used in India were thickened with various spices, matching the taste of the Indians. How sauce is made. Over the years, the ketchup industry managed to gain $1.5 billion in revenue. Harvesting. Tomatoes are harvested from the farm using specialized machinery that deals with the process of cutting, shaking, soring, and loading. The machine's movement and functions are controlled by the hydraulic system. Only best ripped tomatoes are taken for the production process to ease the production. These tomatoes are washed to remove the bad impurities, and the industrial-grade equipment, such as pulpers or grinders, are used to chop or crush the fresh tomatoes. The tomato puree extracted in the process is preheated to a specific temperature with the motive of loosening the skin of tomatoes and results in the separation. With the development of innovative technologies, steam engines and other methods can be used for the efficient heating of the puree. The peeler or centrifugal separator is intended to remove the skin and seeds that helps to get a more pure mixture of the tomato puree. Tomato puree production is a crucial component that is essential for the making of tomato ketchup. The puree is kept in the airtight containers and placed in the warehouses, and separating the production of the puree could enhance the taste and flavor required for the production of sauce. Its longer shelf life and efficient storage also make it a convenient, immediate product. Crates containing the tomato paste are transported all the way from the warehouse with the help of automated forklifts. Once the crate arrives, they are opened and the puree is squeezed out of the package with the help of the paste dumper's huge rolling pins. The extracted paste is kept in the storage bin, and the mixing of water along with the paste takes place to make it a more consistent, smooth liquid. The diluted puree taken from the storage tank to the ketchup kitchen is mixed with sweeteners, vinegars, spices, salt, and flavorings, adding great essence to the ketchup. It is more preferable to add spices in the initial cooking process, such that excessive evaporation of the puree doesn't happen. The volatile spice oils and vinegar are then added to the puree, and the addition of onions and garlic are mixed with these spices, placed in a separate bag or chopped and added to the pump salt. It is more preferable to add the mixture of sugar such that it could resist the burning of the mixture, making the sauce not lose its flavor. The sauce is being cooked for about 30 to 45 minutes and is processed by the circulating blades that are being installed in the cookers. Keystone-shaped plastic bottles are most often used by the major endorsing ketchup brands, and the design for the bottles were developed by Henry Heinz. The curved neck design makes the paste come out in a more edible form from the bottle, and its narrow mouth prevents the intense exposure of ketchup to the air, making it lie to its original taste and color. The filler plays a crucial role in dispersing the ketchup into the bottles, and the weight of each empty bottle is ensured by the fillers. The bottle is filled with the ketchup by the filler, satisfying the amount according to the weight of the bottle. The sealed bottles of the ketchup helps the ketchup to maintain its freshness, and the cooling of these bottles helps in restricting the flavor loss that happens through the process of stack burning. These containers are labeled and coded with product information, including ingredients date, location of manufacture, and shelf life, ensuring credibility of the product to the customers. What are your views regarding the artificial flavors added to the ketchup for attracting a major domain of customers? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content just like this, and be sure to hit that like button too.